Hi guys, welcome to Hardest Info channel. Today I have TCL 501 and I want to show you how to set mobile data limits on this device. First, open settings application where we have our network and internet. Now we tap on mobile network. There is our SIM card, and now data warming and limit. First, we can set when our size starts, maybe first day of each month, or what you prefer. There we can set data warming and we can set it how many gigabytes or megabytes we need, maybe 2 gigabytes. And the same story with data limits. We must turn on it by the switch, configure by OK, and we can set it in custom name number, maybe 12 gigabytes we set. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!